How ENTP acts when they like someone. ENTP individuals may display specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Intellectual engagement. ENTPs are known for their intellectual curiosity, and when they like someone, they may engage in stimulating conversations, exploring ideas and theories together. Playful teasing and wit. ENTPs often express their interest through playful teasing and intellectual banter. They enjoy showcasing their wit and may use humor as a way to connect. Initiating challenges. ENTPs enjoy challenges, and when they like someone, they may initiate friendly debates or challenges to stimulate conversation and showcase their intelligence. Spontaneous adventures. ENTPs appreciate spontaneity and may suggest or engage in spontaneous adventures to spend time with the person they like, seeking novel and exciting experiences together. Analyzing and observing. ENTPs may spend time analyzing and observing the person they like, trying to understand their thoughts and behaviors on a deeper level. Supporting ambitions. When an ENTP likes someone, they may actively support and encourage the person's ambitions, offering ideas and insights to help them achieve their goals. Balancing logic and emotion. ENTPs may find a balance between logical analysis and emotional connection, showcasing a depth of understanding and consideration for the feelings of the person they are interested in. How to make an ENTP like you. Engage in intellectual conversations. ENTPs are drawn to intellectual stimulation, so engage in thought-provoking conversations on various topics. Appreciate their wit. Acknowledge and appreciate their wit and playful banter. ENTPs enjoy partners who can keep up with their humor and contribute to the banter. Be open to debates. ENTPs enjoy friendly debates, so be open to engaging in discussions that allow for the exchange of ideas and perspectives. Embrace spontaneity. Be open to spontaneous adventures and novel experiences. ENTPs appreciate partners who share their love for excitement and unpredictability. Express ambitions. Share your ambitions and goals. ENTPs are likely to be attracted to individuals with a clear sense of purpose and ambition. Encourage their creativity. Support and encourage their creative endeavors. ENTPs appreciate partners who recognize and value their innovative and creative side. Show emotional depth. While ENTPs are analytical, they also appreciate emotional depth. Express your feelings and showcase vulnerability to create a more profound connection. In summary, connecting with an ENTP involves engaging in intellectual conversations, appreciating wit, being open to debates, embracing spontaneity, expressing ambitions, encouraging creativity, and showing emotional depth.